Lunchtime? I love lunchtime! What is this?
Yeah, same as always.
I wanna make pizza!
Okay, but be careful. He's watching us. Hey! What is that noise? He just has a sensitive stomach.
Ramen? Crackers? Close the bag and now shake it.
What the heck?
Did you know that you can get a free Fortnite outfit in under 60 seconds just by downloading the game on mobile?
What?
Nothing. Nothing.
Now add hot water.
He's coming. Hey! What is that shaking? No! Spizee bikini. Clowns. Is it coming up?
Yeah. Salsa. Spread it out. Queso cheese.
Oh my god.
And giant Slim Jim. Mamma mia! To the microwave.
What is that smell? What is that smell? This is the best thing I ever ate, officer. It's so stupid. That's not bad.
Bye-bye. No more bad food. Our last prison food hack is a pipe woo. This is prisoners' favorite dessert, and it's also considered very expensive in prison. Here is the list. We need Oreos, we need M&M's, peanut butter, Sprite, and milk. First, take Oreos and cream them. So right here we have 2 containers, and for each Oreo that we get from package, we're gonna separate it between the cream and the actual cookie. Take your plastic knife and gently open the cookie, revealing the cream. We're gonna separate the cream out of the cookie just like this. Now, this cream is gonna go to this container and the cookie itself is gonna go to the other. Now repeat the process with more Oreos until we finish a couple packages. Just look how even and satisfying it is. This is totally my first attempt. And just like that, guys, we finished separating our Oreos. So what we're gonna do right now is actually smash this batch. We're gonna take our peanut butter and start using it as a smasher. Just keep smashing until you can't smash anymore. Until it looks something like a fine powder. Now take some hot water and pour it into the plastic cup. After you fill the cup, add it into the Oreo. Now add approximately half a cup of creamer, and now we need some milk. Wait, where can I get milk?
Don't worry, my friend. Some fresh milk.
I mean, it's alright.
Now close it and shake it like you shake your booty. Just be very careful until it looks something like this. Kind of like a gooey texture. Now open your peanut butter and... Huh?
Don't worry, I didn't touch it.
Okay. Now take the cream container and add some peanut butter inside. Just a big giant